Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Vina Nurlatika Sari. I'm a student from Business Logistics program. It's a truly an honor to be here with all of you today. Thank you for your presence and for taking the time to participate in this presentation. On this occasion, I will be presenting a topic that is highly crucial in the field logistics, namely transportation in logistics. This topic is important because transportation is a core component of the logistics supply chain. Okay, before we go any further, the ensure a structured discussion, here are the main point I will be covering. Number one, definition of transportation in logistics. Number two, type of transportation in logistics. And the last, the application of technology in transportation logistics. Okay, first, let us begin the discussion the definition of transportation in the logistic context. What is the transportation in logistic? Transportation in logistic refers to the activity of moving goods from one location to another. It functions as the bridge connecting supplier, producer, distributor, and consumer. With effective transportation, product can reach the market on time, thus creating added value for this good. Next, I will explain the various types of transportation commonly used in logistics. Let us begin with land transportation. Land transportation is suitable for short to medium distance. Its advantages include flexible routes and high accessibility. However, its disadvantage lie in limited capacity, potential traffic congestion, and pollution. An example of land transportation is the use of truck. Next is rail transportation. For large volume and long distance, rail transport is an efficient choice. It offers low per unit cost and is more environmentally friendly. Added advantages include high capacity and low cost per unit for long distance delivery. However, limited coverage and fixed schedule remain challenge, and it often requires transshipment. Okay, in this slide, I will discuss the next mode of transportation, which is sea transportation. Sea transportation is the most efficient mode and is ideal for transporting very large volume for uh, goods across continent. Ships are an example of sea transportation. The advantages are a high capacity and low cost, although delivery time tend to be long and highly depend on port availability. Okay, now let us move on to the another model, which is air transportation. Air transportation, such as cargo aircraft, offer high speed and exchange security is a very suitable for high value or perishable goods. However, the main disadvantages are the very high cost and limited cargo capacity. Okay, and the final type of transportation is pipeline transportation. Pipeline transportation is typically used to carry liquids such as oil and gas, as well as certain type of solid. Its advantages include continuous flow, high safety, and low operational costs. However, in initial investment, cost is very high, and its use is limited to certain type of. Okay. After reviewing the various modes of transportation, let us now move on to the discussion of technology in logistic transportation. Technology play a vital role in improving transportation efficiently. One example of the Transport Management System or TMS. This enable route planning, route optimization, delivery schedule, and real-time tracking. And the use of TMS can reduce costs and exchange operational efficiency. And the next technology in logistic transportation is the automatic identification system. Automatic identification system, such as RFID or radio frequency identification and barcode, barcode technology are crucial for modern logistics. They allow for route planning, load optimization, delivery scheduling, and real-time tracking. Next, Internet of Things or IoT and big data based technology have also made significant contribution, with the implementation of the Internet of Things or IoT sensor on vehicle and cargo allow real-time monitoring of conditions such as temperature, humidity, and security. Meanwhile, big data and analytics are used to optimize delivery route, forecast demand, and identification in efficient reliability, supporting more accurate and responsive decision making. Okay, to conclude this presentation, I would like to summarize the key points that we have discussed today. Okay. Transportation play a crucial role in the logistics supply chain. It's a mode of transportation: land, rail, sea, air, and pipeline serve different operational needs depending on distance, cargo volume, and cost efficiency. Effective transportation does not only ensure timely delivery, but also create added value for the product and the entire logistic process. Moreover, the integration of advanced technologies such as transport management system, RFID, and barcode tracking, Internet of Things, and big data analytics has significantly improved the performance and reliability of transportation system. Looking ahead, the success of logistic operational will rely heavily on the ability to combine strategic transportation planning with smart technologies to build a more resilient and efficient supply chain. Okay, I would be very open to addressing any question of may have, but today, due to time constraint, we are unable to conduct a Q&A session at this time. However, should you have any question, please feel free to approach me directly after this session. That conclude my presentation on transportation is in logistics. Thank you very much for your attention and time. I apologize if there were any shortcomings in my delivery. I hope this material has been beneficial and has broadened our understanding of the topic. Thank you. Bye-bye.